Okay, I bought this Husky digital slide T bevel on Depot. This is what it comes in. Sounds like. Get the instructions, battery. Let's see, this is battery compartment. Positive side down. Okay, slide that in place. Now, I already looked at this beforehand, so it says to insert the blade into the handle. Make sure it's all evened out, flushed, and then you press 0 to zero it out. This is the on-off. Make sure it's zeroed out. You press this to hold the number, so once you put it somewhere and you hold the number, want it to hold, you press that. This one, I don't know which one is that one. But anyway, let's see how this thing does. Okay, so I'll put it on a square. And you see it says 90 degrees. I don't want to hold that. Push hold. So she's pretty accurate. Then you can move this around and it won't change the numbers. If I unhold it, then as you move it, it changes. Now let's see. Okay, this is the reading I'm getting. So it's pretty close, it's pretty good. Hold that. Now this feels, kind of alright. The blade here, it has the edges are super sharp. I'm gonna have to sand these down a little bit. Another thing I noticed is this thing here. You unloosen it too much, this whole thing comes off. And it doesn't take much to unloosen it. There's a kind of, yeah, kind of small in there. See what I mean? Then you got the two little holes. And when you're not using this, you can slide the battery compartment out and just leave it like that. Put it in a drawer like that so it won't kill your battery. Then when you go to use it, slide it in, turn it on. Again, you can't leave this loose in the drawer because then this will come out and your battery will fall out. So this product has a lifetime warranty. Anything happens, you can email them, contact them. Now that rev button says if you want the reverse angle of what you read, you can just push that button and it'll give you the reverse angle of it. So that's what you get, people. So yeah, that's the only flaw thing I see. This thing could have stayed in place, and the edge of this is sharp. Plastic feels kind of cheap. It's more of a precision tool. I wouldn't want to just throw this in the drawer like that, because then this can get bent. So you have to put this in some of that foam, dedicate a spot to it. I'll probably give it a 8 out of 10, and only because of the sharp edge in this right here I don't really like. But that's my review on this product. I'm gonna keep it, hold on to it, use it around doing some baseballs and stuff like that. Hope this helps. Just give a thumbs up and subscribe.